drone.
Okay, so
As we call it today.
we are again starting with SpaceX for some reason. Come on, man. These guys launch rockets faster than we can make these episodes. So
Very well.
yeah,
put.
so when we released the last episode, so SpaceX launched another Falcon 9 rocket and it had 60 Starlink satellites. So for those who don't know, Starlink is a concept as of now where they'll put satellites all over the earth and provide internet, a very fast internet to all the places. So
Crazy.
this has multiple applications.
Absolutely
Yeah,
crazy.
multiple applications. So you'll get internet in places where you can't put fiber optic, and you'll get internet that is better than fiber optic. So that is crazy.
Oof.
I mean,
It's right out
So
of
how
the
do you use
sci-fi
that?
movies, I mean.
yeah, it's. I mean, we are gonna live in the future. See, I've come to a point where I know about tech, and then what's gonna happen in future, and I'm like,
You can-
shit, I'm living in the past. Yeah. And you know, when your parents tell you कि we didn't have these smartphones and you feel like shit, how are people
Exactly.
living at that time? I'm here, there right now.
Exactly,
I don't know
exactly.
if that makes sense. So these satellites, they are closer to Earth than what normal satellites are, So there is a bit of a concern because they'll have to launch 42,000 satellites. 42,000 satellites covering the entire
I
Earth.
recently did a presentation on satellites, and if I'm not wrong,
Hmm.
then they are the like lower Earth. So the farther the satellites are from the Earth, the more area they can cover, right?
Yeah.
So because
So
they are very
normally,
near to the Earth,
yeah. So normally there is a triangle that they cover, but so some companies have already done this, like space and satellite and provided internet, but they keep the satellites 32,000 kilometers away, so the latency is really high.
really high.
And
Baapre.
so, but the reason they did it is because they wanted to provide internet to a specific region, so the satellite has to be geo-locked with that region, so it has to be that far.
बराबर समझा. So it'll move with that place, right?
Yeah, move with that place. So what happened is, if you put the satellites this close, they have to have higher velocities to keep them in orbit.
बराबर.
So to cover a certain region, they need so many satellites so that at any given point, some satellite will be there.
Right.
And you can access it by buying a $200 terminal, which isn't available yet. But the interesting thing is, right now, like, everything is going with them, nothing is against them, except so they have few issues, like astrologers are saying ki sky mein they're doing a lot of astrologers nahi, astronomers, sorry.
Astronomers, okay. मैं बोला
Astronomers, so astronomers are saying, oh yeah, astronomers said that they're causing a lot of light pollution because of the reflection, so they are working with them. Yeah, but this solves a lot of problems. Like, first they'll defeat monopolies like Comcast, Verizon, either be there's Jio and A, but we still have a better internet situation. And then these satellites, so the way they work is, they have one satellite communicating with you through the phased array antenna, and then they'll communicate with each other via lasers.
समझा.
So, and these satellites have latencies which are lesser than optic fiber. Like, so the main funding they are looking for is coming from the stock market. Yeah, the stock market. You never
Wow.
thought this. So this came as a surprise, yeah, Mekobi. So the reason the stock market people are willing to fund so much is because for them latency means millions of dollars. So I didn't know this. While doing the research, I got into it, and I realized that these guys paid 300 million to put a private optical fiber connection from New York to London, just for this task. So because they have done the math, and that is more profitable than just doing something else.
Got it.
And so Starlink reduces that too. And ये तो बस न्यूयॉर्क से लंदन है, which is still a shorter distance than New York to some place.
This is what?
It reduces latency by so much. So
Fair enough.
while doing the research, I didn't write it here, but the new optic fiber reduced the latency by 5% or something. It was very low. It was already like 60 milliseconds, but udhar se it came to 55 milliseconds.
Okay.
ऐसा.
अच्छा.
And then this Starlink situation will reduce the latency by 17%. So imagine the amount of money they are willing to pay,
Wow.
and they're really paying. Yeah. And so the reason most of you haven't heard about Starlink is because they give $0 to advertisement and marketing. That is just like
Yeah,
classic
that
Elon
is-
Musk move.
That's right. Even with the
But
what do you
this is
call it?
going
What did they launch? The truck,
uh,
Cybertruck.
Cybertruck.
Yeah. Even
Yeah.
Cybertruck, they had like no
But
marketing.
come on, it made noise for itself.
Obviously,
Yeah.
that's. I think
We did the marketing.
Exactly. You
So-
did the marketing, guys.
So the Starlink thing is a direct competition to 5G, and 5G is marketed like everywhere. They have invested more in marketing
Exactly.
than I guess the tech itself. I have seen 5G. I mean, I've seen 5G at so many places. Phone makers have forcibly put it in their phones. Like Qualcomm is forcing them to put 5G modems because Qualcomm produces the modems. So
but
this is-
doesn't the 865 come with a 5G modem? क्या
Yeah,
अलग से
so it drives the cost up now anyway,
right.
because
Fair enough.
making that 5G modem is hard, and you're
Barabar.
supposed to have 4 antennas just to connect to
Receive the
the
signal.
towers. Yeah, and that is blocked by a tree. Like imagine if a new tree or a new building comes up near your house and you
Right.
are no more having the 5G internet
5G,
connection.
that's right.
And this is something very promisable. Like I don't know why there is not a lot of investment in this, like more than 5G, because at some point we'll run out of
Data.
that places to put those towers. Because
सच्ची
5G में we'll have a tower at line
Eyesight.
क्या बोलते हैं?
eye
Eyesight. Yeah, I mean
Eye level.
everywhere you look there'll be a eye level नहीं रहे. मतलब everywhere you look
समझा,
there'll be a
there will
5G
be a
tower
5G
because 5G gets blocked by anything.
Oh my god.
So it's estimated as 100 billion लगेगा to put all those towers just in United States.
Wow.
And
100 billion.
100 billion.
What?
It's gonna take 10 times less. Starlink का budget is 10 billion पूरा to put the entire constellation ऊपर. I have no clue
Makes a lot of sense.
how people thought that Starlink is not a good idea and 5G is a great idea. I mean, I was with 5G. Come on, I have ideas that will require 5G to be a thing.
Huh.
I mean, for the Smart India hackathon, I had an idea, and they said that unless 5G or something happens, this is not viable. And I'm like, yeah, it makes sense. Yeah, abhi dalna bhi nahi hai. So, and they were just not ready to understand, man.
Fair enough.
They want
Yeah,
something
Advait-
that they can deploy tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Oh, Advait looks into the future, guys. You can't meet Advait's level.
Huh. And imagine the benefits, like the companies. Okay, so these companies are so all this research while I was doing, this is काफी US का thing because India में नहीं है Starlink. Surprise, surprise. And so the thing is, udhar, if you're living in a place, there is basically one provider which is the monopoly udhar ka,
Right,
like
local.
one region ka.
Locally.
And so there is Comcast, Verizon,
TNT,
Xfinity or
AT&T.
something. Yeah. And so if you look at the coverage maps now, none of them overlap.
So
So basically they have planned it all. No, none of them overlap.
Nice.
So they have planned out their own boundaries and all of them suck. Like that is what the reviews and everything said.
Dude,
Maybe it's
you
better
won't-
than us or maybe it's not better than us.
I saw it is not. Dude, I saw an episode of Unbox Therapy and it was comparing. I think it was Lou later only. It was his podcast and they were comparing data prices all over the world. And I think India was obviously the cheapest. I think it was $0.26 per GB of.
India
4G
was the
data.
cheapest.
Is the cheapest.
Oh, acha, when Tavi Jio wasn't charging or something. Or
What? No. Even with Jio, it was like 1 year ago.
oh, okay. That is nice.
One
So
of the
we are
earliest-
living at the.
Yeah, India has the cheapest data prices, and Europe, Canada is I think second or third cheap. I think second or third
Mhm.
most expensive. it's a really expensive. Data is really expensive.
I remember-
in the United States.
I remember there was this video comparing the top 10 speeds in various countries, and the top 3 or 4 were like 20 Mbps, 30 Mbps, and I had 100 Mbps net tabhi. And I'm like, why is this my country not on the list, bro? Did you miss something?
Yeah.
And okay, so coming back to Starlink, so the latency is a big part of this because that is what they are getting paid for. The speed
Exactly.
is I guess one Gbps up and down, I guess, and this is just the testing phase. Like there was a tweet Elon Musk made, the tweeting from Starlink Tesla, and
Nice.
I thought, what is this joke? And Tabi, I didn't understand it, but now I get it. Oh, he used that to tweet Tesla. And then, okay, so the latency from Earth to one of those satellites which is above you is 3.6 milliseconds, which is so less. That's mind blowing. And then,
You have to understand that the satellite is thousands of kilometers away from you. And if it is,
and then, okay, the problem with having that many satellites super is that you can't have one satellite going up and then down again, because
Yeah, but up link
if the
and
data
down.
is to move somewhere else, the data will have to go through from one satellite to another and then Vese. So it will have to find the shortest path. So these guys are gonna have to make a new modem system or something like that for that to happen, and routing system basically. But come on, they must have thought it out, वैसे तो. And I don't know, it seems like a cool future कि सब space से जा रहा है data and stuff.
I saw this video on Twitter where I think it was from the SpaceX handle only, where the rocket was essentially where the 60s Starlink satellites were
Oh हाँ,
slowly disconnecting
yes.
from the rocket. It was so cool to
it
watch.
was amazing.
It was so-
I know.
It was so cool to watch. I was like, what is that? Really cool.
Uh,
It's too good.
and these satellites have their own ion thruster, so they can avoid
Oh.
obstacles and stuff with that. So space debris is a problem सबके लिए.
That's
So Elon Musk did. So SpaceX team did address this, and they said that the satellites will destroy 95% of them when they re-enter Earth के orbit में. Earth के atmosphere में. Sorry, fuck, we are making so many mistakes with
Satellites
that.
will destroy 95% of what?
Themselves.
Oh, damn.
While coming down, so there will be no space debris, like, and even if the ion thrusters break, the satellites will destroy themselves in 5 years or so, 1 to 5 years, which is very less in space time, very less in space ka thing, because satellites take about 100 years because they are so far away
That's right,
to get
that's
destroyed
right.
pura. So space debris ka problem they did address, although I have a couple of concerns abhi idhar. I couldn't find any answers to them. What will they do about weather? Because all our data is going up and
My
down,
God,
and
yeah.
weather ka kya?
That's right.
So I couldn't find a lot of answers. I saw a subreddit ka question, and then all they had was ki we'll see what happens, and they had a bot reminding them after 6 months ki check it now kuch hua kya aise. So I was like, nothing there.
That's right.
And so okay, I found one bad news lekin. So when they were trying this re-entry test iska satellite ka to see if it burns up or not,
Yeah.
it almost crashed with the European weather satellite. So the European weather satellite had to change its way or something. So they'll have to be very careful with that. And normally satellites they don't collide, so they have humans maneuvering the debris and stuff.
Right.
But when you have 42,000 of them, there has to be an autonomous system. And these guys have put in the autonomous system as well.
Of course.
But all the satellites are gonna need it. And
Both cameras.
there is a lot of work, but it is at least more promising than keeping one tower outside your house. That's all.
I think it's safer, and I don't know, man, but it's safer from a radiation point of view. I mean, there's not a lot of radiation. I mean, so this is a very small object, and there's obviously the limits and stuff, but still, I
Mhm.
mean, prolonged exposure to, if you live close to a mobile tower, you definitely risk some amount of long exposure damage. I don't know, but I read it in somewhere. And
Yeah, is
you
it?
said five you said 5G gets blocked by any building, right?
Any building, any tree, anything.
So does it mean it has a high frequency?
Yeah.
है ना?
Although it is way lower than what.
हाँ,
Yeah, I mean,
of course.
if a 5G tower can harm you, then your microwave should kill you.
हाँ.
वैसा वाला ही है.
Exactly, yeah, that's the
Basically,
whole thing.
it's very safe.
It is
I mean,
very
I don't
safe.
know. It is very. I mean, 5G is everything is safe.
Yeah.
The people who are making these are smart and they want to live too. So if they put killing towers everywhere, they'll get killed too.
Fair enough.
I don't know how people don't understand this. Like all that talk about,
Exactly.
oh, Wi-Fi is killing you, and yeah,
That's right.
if it kills you, it will kill them too. And why would they make something that will kill themselves?
Hmm.
Yeah.
I wonder why.
And this is the most basic argument I can give to a person who doesn't understand the ionization frequency stuff and yeah. But yeah.
That's right.
So yeah, I had just had these couple of questions जिनका आंसर मेरे को मिला नहीं. But still, this seems like a very promising tech. I don't know why.
How do you think
Huh, yeah, go ahead.
the weather would affect signal?
So
electrical disturbances from thunderstorms?
yeah,
Clouds?
electrical disturbances and clouds के साथ interference. But what I think is, if there are clouds, they'll shift to something as a low frequency which doesn't get affected much. It will lower the speeds, but at
Right.
least it will give something. And clouds move continuously, and
That's right.
this satellite constellation is also moving continuously. So I mean, they'll figure something
Of
out.
course,
Maybe
of
they
course,
haven't
of
abhi
course.
tak or something, but I think the future is Starlink. Like I'm willing to bet on Starlink more than, let's say, 6G. I'll give 5G a short pass as a, but 6G is just not gonna happen, man. Like it's not coming.
Guys, अद्वैत ने Starlink का stock खरीद लिया, मेरे को समझ गया अभी.
Oh, I wish. I was talking to my dad that day, and I'm like, buy Tesla का stock, buy Tesla का stock, and he's just explaining we can't buy Tesla का stock इधर रह के. And I'm like, नहीं, buy it. Why can't we? I have VPN. We can go there.
Tell him to buy
it's
Jio
just-
Jio का stock.
Oh, everyone is buying Jio ka. And not everyone is buying. Everyone is investing in Jio ka stuff. Like it has gotten a lot of foreign investment आजकल, and then there's this Atmanirbhar talk, and then yeah, so good for you, Jio. You're doing good,
Good for you. Yeah,
but you're far from Starlink.
You don't have
It's just-
competition. That's why you're doing that.
Oh, हाँ. And I don't know. I see people still using Vodafone. And so that day, the storm came, right? मेरे इधर, हमारे इधर. And so this girl का Vodafone stopped working.
What?
And I'm like, what? Yeah, Vodafone या Airtel था पता नहीं stopped working.
Ouch. I use Vodafone, so
Yeah.
like I'm gonna be defensive here. No, but I
Yeah.
was using my 4G. मेरा Wi-Fi I think went down for like a few hours. I was using 4G. It was not fine. Maybe.
Oh, no. Maybe हमारे इधर का कुछ हुआ रहेगा. I don't know.
Possible.
But then I'm really glad we have this tech which is
That's right.
working even in the harsh environment. Like the winds were really high and stuff like that.
Essentially, we're glad we were born in this time. Yeah. So.
Yeah, exactly. We're just glad to have internet there.
Yep. Fair enough. Starlink satellites,
Mm.
guys. Buy the stock.
Yeah.
Use a
Buy
VPN.
the stock if you can. Come on.
User.
Someone's gonna comment, this guy doesn't know how stocks work, and I seriously don't. My friend tries to explain as all this, this went up, this went down, and then she talks with her dad about stocks, and then she comes and tells me कि oh तेको पता है ये हुआ, and then
It's
stocks
like-
ये हुआ. I'm like, what the fuck? Like amazing, yes. And so sometime back, I think I subscribed to Google and Apple ka stocks karti se like, and I
Oh
guess
my
I get
God.
these notifications as like, oh, stocks are up today, stocks are down today. I'm like, okay, nice.
I will use that information sometime in the future.
Sometime in the future, yes. अभी 10 रुपए इन्वेस्ट करके क्या करना है
Oh
मैंने?
my god. That's right. Holy shit.
Oh,
You
चलो,
remember-
let's move on to.
Cool.
हाँ, go ahead. No, go ahead. So,
अरे-
I don't let you talk, I guess.
No, not at all. I have so many digressing topics. I was gonna stocks का topic निकला था तो I was gonna say कि remember that one time when Elon Musk said that his stock was too high. You don't
Oh,
know?
what's the stock right now? I know that tweet. I like that tweet, and I'm like, nah, this guy is just being humble or something. तभी तो, but it made waves as a stock market. I heard.
People lost like thousands of dollars just because of his one tweet.
Oh, they do it every. This guy tweets something and people lose real money. That is sad.
It's really sad. You
But
should-
then I guess
you should
they
not
make
have,
it up. I don't know how stock market works, man.
should not have that kind of power.
Oh yeah, but you can't like take that power away from him, right?
हाँ, you can't. अभी वो है उसका influence.
अब हो है तो है अभी, and it's not as a power. It's just that the people have put him there as
Yeah,
a.
that's right. That's right. So,
Uh,
हाँ.